Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate card using the, the April Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is April 2025. So, I'm going to show you some of the items we're going to be using to make our alternates. I have the, what are these called? The low profile dots. It's an online exclusive. We're going to be using the paper pumpkin die set, the Hugs of Bloom dies that coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. We're going to be using these dies. Let me show you those. These are the dies. Okay. And then we're also going to be using this new online exclusive mini corrugated 3D embossing folder. Now, all the projects that I'm going to make are not going to have these items on there, but most of them will, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Mountain Majesties paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Misty Moonlight is the stamping spot. Again, we have our Hugs of Bloom dies add-on for $12. And it coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to find out, sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. Again, this is a new program. It's been going on for a couple of weeks now, but I just want to remind you, you earn 10% on all orders that are $20 or more. Shipping is and tax is not included in your amount, okay? So $20 or more in product order, you get 10% in Stampin' Rewards. You can redeem those rewards on any future order. You can track them and save them in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and your rewards will expire 12 months from the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, so today we are going to be making a card using, again, Kendra's Card Challenge number 18, sketch number 6, okay? So this right here. I did make a couple of changes, just a little bit, but not a lot. So we have a thick basic white card base here. And it's 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. We have our inside, which is gorgeous grape, 5 by 3 3/4, and basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're just gonna glue these together. I made these cards so long ago. Actually, I designed them, I should say. I keep saying made. I designed these the day after Easter. I just haven't had time to record. So, yeah, there's that. Life has been lifing. My granddaughter is getting older. She is 8 months old, and she requires a lot of attention. Like, she wants to be playing with me all day while her dad is at work. And so, that's what I do. I play with her. Okay, we have that done. So now we have another piece of gorgeous grape. This is, let me see. This is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And then I have a piece of Pool Party here that is 5 1/4 by 4 that I've run through the mini corrugated folder. And we're going to glue this on to our gorgeous grape piece. Do that now. Just like that. Then we're going to put this onto our card base. Just like this. I am loving these colors that they chose in the kit. So now we have a piece of the card base here. And this is, let's see, 3 by 1 3/4. And we're going to adhere that to a piece of fresh freesia that is 3 1/4, I think. Yeah, 3 1/4 by 1 7/8. No, it's not 3 1/4. It's 3 1/8 by 1 7/8. Oh gosh, I have to refresh my memory from my notes. Okay, so then I have a piece of gorgeous grape here that is 3 1/2 by 3/4, and we're gonna put this on here like so. So I'm gonna put that right about there, right about where I had it, if I can remember. It's about right here, right? Like this. Okay, hopefully that's straight. That looks pretty good. Then I have a piece from the kit, the little leaf piece that was one piece like this, and I cut it in half, and we are going to glue this down on here like so. So I'm just gonna leave that right there and put a little bit of glue and stick it. Then we want to put the other one about right there, so I don't have to make any mistakes in my placement. I'll just hold it down like that. Okay, and then I am going to pop this up on dimensionals. Where are my dimensionals? And we're going to get some mini dimensionals from the kit and pop up our middle layer, our main image here. You guys, don't freak out about my dimensionals. You know I like to use a lot. Oh, goodness. I am kind of rusty in making my videos. I'm hoping I'm staying in frame. I'm not putting my body in the frame, because I feel like I haven't made a video in over a month. Oh my goodness, has it really been that long? Okay, let's see. We're going to put, I think I want it this way. Right about there. Oh, if I can get stuff straight, it would be a miracle. Okay, so now we have a piece that is, looks like 1/4 inch by 2 3/4, and we are going to stamp on this in Gorgeous Grape, and we're going to stamp Sending My Love. This is, we're going to put that right here in the middle. Try to get it in the middle of that banner. Now this banner is not from the kit. I made it myself, so you just have to, you know. I think I want to cut these dimensionals in half because I don't believe they are small enough. So we're going to use half a dimensional, and we're going to put them on the ends here. Come on. Half a dimensional on the end. And we're going to just put glue in the middle because the this is already popped up, so we don't need any glue. My dimensional is showing from the front. I need to switch the direction of my dimensionals. Oh no. Let's get another one, because that one did not fare too well. There we go. Now we won't have anything showing from the front, and just put the tiniest bit of glue. The tiniest bit. Yeah. Oh, that is not a tiny bit. Now, let's sit this across our thing, our little main image here, our focal image, and we're going to get our low profile dots and add some bling. Take your pick tool again. And on this one, where do I want to add some bling? I think, why isn't this sitting like I want it to? I want to add one there. Don't stick to my finger, please. One on this end. Then we'll add a big one about right there. And that is our card done. What do you think? Isn't that cute? I like this. So simple. Thanks, Kendra, for this wonderful card sketch. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.